Hey guys, what's up? Me, Donnie, Hunting Hawk Citizen. We're back at it again today, guys. It's a Friday afternoon, about 7:30 in the afternoon. Got off work a little while ago, guys, and decided to come down to the river this afternoon, try it. They closed the dam off. It's got about 100 square feet or whatever it is. CFS is going over right now, so that's barely anything. So the water's dropping pretty good, guys. So I've been waiting on, so I can get the yak out and get down here and beat up on them. But just doing a little bank fishing tonight, and we are gonna see what is going on and what these people are doing. Driving real super slow, but yeah, I don't know about that. That's so weird. This town is so weird, I swear. But yeah, guys, we're gonna get down here and do some fishing. Got some live bait I just went and got, some crick chubs, some schneebs, and some sucky boys, and yeah, see, got some night crawlers too, so we're gonna throw out a variety pack for them tonight and see what they want, see if they want anything at all. Hopefully the spawn's getting over, guys, and these catfish are gonna start tuning up, so we'll see, guys. Let's go see if we can get something. But yeah, you guys like this content, like always, hit that like and subscribe, and we'll get down there and we'll get to recording, guys. I'll see you down on the water later. Alright, guys, we're officially fishing. I'm getting me a bite already. That'd be awesome if it is. Probably a bait twitching around. But yeah, I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna get the casting for stripey. You see some busting over here. Today, guys, Friday afternoon, down to the rural river. She's dropping pretty quick, but yeah, down there to see if anything's biting. See if the kitty cats come out of spawn yet. See some stripes. Public done. That fucker's fixing to take off with that bait. Yes he is, yes he is. Yeah, here he goes, guys. He's cruising with it now. He's cruising. And he just quit. He was cruising with it. Yes, he was. Yes, he was. I'm gonna try to finish my Facebook post up here. Oh, yes, he is trying to take off with it, isn't he? Oh, sneaky snake. He's fixing to get busted, guys. He's fixing to get himself busted is what he's gonna do. Yeah. That's a good bite there, guys. We got 2 bites now. Yeah. Oh, there's another one on this one. Yeah, what we got, guys? What is going on here? It's nice. I like this. Public. Give me a bunch of slack on this one too. Huh. Oh yeah, come on. Take off with it, dude. Come on. You can do it. Those night crawlers are still jumping down here earlier. Yeah. Yes, they have. Ooh, alright. Let's get casting the bait for a stripey, guys. Sending me a smoke here. I feel like I pull a striper out today on the old chatter donk. What are you doing, fish, huh? what that is. I wonder if it's a gar or something stupid. I don't know. Let's get a couple casts out here real quick. There's a fish right there, guys. First cast. First cast with chatterdonk. Ooh, fixing double up here, guys. Maybe. What we got here? Little white bass. Yep. Little white bass. Little white bass, guys. Little whitey. Alright. Damn full air's fixing to take off on me. Oh. Okay. Camera. Video. Alright guys, first fish of the day. Everybody, white bass. Little white bassy on the old chatterdonk. That's a swimmer. Still getting bites too, guys. We're gonna use him for bait. Put him in a bait bucket. There we go. Bait casting. First fish though. Didn't get skunked. Alright. Shut this off. Set it back on my chair. Back to casting, guys. Back to casting. There's some big stripers over there. Some white bass. That's good bait too. Let's try it. There's another one, guys. There's another one there. It's stripey. That's a stripey, guys. Yep. That's stripey. Yes, sirree. Yes, sirree. That is a stripey. Stay on lines, buddy. Stay on lines. He's a nice one, too, guys. It's a nice one. Yes. Yes. Come here, dog. Come here, dog. Oh, yeah. Come here. I'm doing fun, guys. Ooh. Ripping some drag. He's ripping some drag. Ooh. Alright guys, second fish of the day, second cast with this bait here. Ooh, I got one taken off with this one now. Hang on guys, hang on. Alright, double up. Alright, double up here. Come on. Right back. Damn, come on. Come on. Come on, fishy. Take it down. Take her down, take her down, take her down. Take her down, come on. Quit nibbling it. Probably gar. I'd guess. I can pull it out of his mouth. Yep, probably gar. Alright. We'll get back to this real quick, guys. Get back to the old bassy here real quick. Alright guys, I'm back. Yep, I have one taking another bait down. There's another bassy though, guys. Not as big as the ones I was catching the other day, but still a nice one. Come here, buddy. Yeah. Here, get him. There we go. I'm gonna rinse him off for you guys. Yeah. Alright, guys, there he is. Hey, dirty little dude, but yep, another bassy. That's two fish are off back, guys. I missed a couple already too. Yep, let's get him out of here, let him go. I know it's sensing, guys. Back out him. Back on him, guys. Alright, Mr. Fishy. Let me know when you're ready. Check out the YouTube channel, guys. You good, buddy? Huh? You good? Yep, there he goes. He gone, guys. He gone. I need to rebait that one. Probably check the bait on that one. And I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna restart the clip real quick. Guys, I'm back. I'm back. Back to Austin's lure again. That's a bit. I'm doing the heavier, bigger ones out. I got bigger, heavier ones. I don't think I have a problem enough doing it. Nope. Definitely did not bring. There's one, guys. There's another one. There's another one. That was badass. That was badass, guys. He came and just throttled that damn thing. Yes, he did. This is my little rod too. Hope we don't get a great big one. He's gonna give me a tug of war. Get there and get my phone. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a little better one, guys. A little better one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Come here. Yeah. Alright, guys. Number 2 on the stripies. Stripey number 2. I'll get him out and show him to you guys. Alright. Come here, dude. Dude. Come here, dude. Come here, dude. Come here. Quit. Open your damn mouth and I'll get you off there. Quit spinning. You quit already? God, dude. You're not even that big. You slammed that damn lure though. Yep. Go chatterdonk with a 6-inch whale on it, guys. There he is. He's a little one. He's a little dude. Alright, guys. Another little dude. He's a little guy. He slammed the shit out of that bait though. Let him go. Number 2. Third bass on the day. No kitty cats yet, but they're coming around. Alright, later, dude. I know, sensing, guys. Alright. Man. So he's slacking up his line. Alright, back to casting, guys. Back to casting. See if we can get another one. See if we can get another one. I bet we can. I bet we can. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. He messed up my whale. Yes, he did. Oh, something biting that pole now. There we go. Yeah, I need to tighten this drag down a hair. Just a hair. Alright. See if there's any more home, guys. Bet there is. If I get way out there, man, I know I could kill them. Big monster strappers out there busting. Oh, there's one, guys. See that blow up? Did you see that blow up? That was awesome. That was freaking awesome. Number 3. Number 3. Hill River stripies, guys. You gotta love them. Gotta love them. They ain't big, but man, there's a bunch of them in there. These ain't very big ones. Well, that might even be a white bass. I can't tell. Come here, buddy. Another bassy. Another bassy, guys. Got another one. Okay. Do another video. Another video. Video. What the hell's that shit? What the hell? I want to do that on camera. And video. All right, guys, another little one. Another little guy. They're smoking this lure, though. Stacked up out there on this current seam. Still getting bites on my other rods, too, but yep, having fun with these stripies right now. Having fun with the stripies. Yep, I'm gonna get him off here and get on another one, guys. It's number 3. All right, buddy, hang on. Hang on. All right, let's get him off here, guys. Send him on his way. Little dude, come here. Quit. Open that mouth up. You. There. He came right off, guys. Came right off. There he is, guys. Little dude. Another little guy. It's number 3. Yep, thanks for biting, buddy. Thanks for biting. That's fun. Just smoking that damn lure. Almost every cast, guys. I gotta get her up in that swift water right there. And as soon as he twitches a couple times, they are on it. That ought to be a fish. That ought to be a fish. Yep, right there, guys. Oh, man, that's a nice one, guys. That's a nice one. He smoked that damn thing. Smoked it. There's a whole school of them coming back up in here right now. I can see them swimming up in there. Big old school or something. This dude's got size to him now, guys. This is the better one. He's way out there, too. He's getting to my catfish poles. No, come on. Stay out of him. Stay out of him. Come on. Come on, buddy. Oh, yeah. He pull and drag, boys. Pull and drag. Yeah. All right. Here's number 4. Come here, dude. Wow. Yeah, he's a little bigger. You're a little more bigger. All right, guys. Number 4. He's a little bigger. He's rip and drag. He smoked it. It's gonna be a good video, guys. They're all over this bait. I'm gonna get him out here, show him to you guys. He's a little bigger. All right, come here, Bubba. Come here, Bubba. Come here. Come here, big boy. Come here. Yeah, you're a fatty. You're officially a fatty, aren't you? Quit getting all dirty.
I don't have a body.
What? Shut up. Freaking Siri. Damn, dude, quit flipping and flopping around. So I can get you off of here. Get you back in your home waters. Yeah. Oh, man, I got you twice. You hooked twice, buddy. Yeah, there's another one, guys. Another nice one. A nice fatty. Another nice little fatty. Little fatty. All right, guys. Number 4. All coming off that current seam right out there. Right out there. They're stacked up. As is a little bigger, he pulls some good drag. He's probably about a 4-pounder. Yeah, I'm gonna get him back in. Let him go, guys. Oh, there he goes. He mad. He's off. Got a hole in his lip now. Permanent piercing from Hunting Hog Sensing. Check out the YouTube channel, guys. There's 4. All right, guys. Restart your clipper quick. Guys, back at it. I retie. It was all tangled up for some reason. There we go. It's a better cast. There's one, guys. Damn. Grab a piece of shit. How was that? I don't know what the hell that was. Missed that one though. There's my bobby. That's gonna be a fish, guys. There's one, guys. Oh yeah, he's ripping drag. He's a rip and drag. You way out there. Come on, buddy. Get up here. Oh, that's a nice one, guys. That's another nice one there. The big one's moved up in here or something. Yep, and another nice one there. Another nice one. Another nice one. Huh. Number 5, guys. Number 5. They're stacked up in here. It's gonna be a good night. I'm still getting bites on other foals too. I'm just watching these for right now. Catching stripies. It's fun. Get you out. Let's go show number 5. Alright. Here, big boy. Come here. Yeah, that's a nice one, guys. That's a fat one there. That's definitely a fatty. Yes. Yes, sir. Reebok, quit. Quit getting all crazy. Let you go. Let you go. Quit. Getting all crazy.
What is that?
Striper?
Striper?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, you in cotton.
It's 5th one.
The 5th one?
Yep.
Yeah. That one calm as
Yeah. Yeah, they shut the dam off.
hell.
They only push like 100 CFE or whatever it is. All right, guys. Number 5. Here, let him go. Get you back. There you go. Be gone. Whew.
Well, you can go down far.
Oh. There's another one, guys. There's another one. Oh, yeah. There's another one. That's a nice one, too. Another nice one. Another nice one, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on. Huh? Oh, yeah. Huh?
You the only person down here?
Yeah. Number 6, guys.
Out here?
Number 6, guys. I'm probably gonna stay all night, but yeah. I've been,
Stripers.
yeah. Stripers. Yep. Number 6, guys. Number 6.
Stripers. You keeping them?
No.
You just throwing them back?
Yeah. I'm just catching them for YouTube. Oh, yeah. Come here, big boy. Yeah. Come here. Come here. Quit.
That's another stripe.
Yep.
If you got a,
Quit.
rooster tail, they catch them. What you using?
Chatterbait. Chatterbait with a trailer. All right. Number 6, guys. Number 6. Oh. All right, guys. Number 6. Number 6. Away and go. Oh. I'm Alex Henson. Check out the YouTube channel, guys. Oh no, don't be going belly up on me. Come on now. Come on now. Chatterbait. Chatterbait with a 6-inch swimmer on it for a trailer.
long you been out here?
I just got down here about an hour ago. I fish this fucking river all the time.
Sit out there.
Oh. Yeah, they're out there in that current seam. Gotta cast their ass off to even get to them, but they're out there. You can get it out there. There's another one right there. Yep. Back to back usually. You get on a school of them. They're fun. They are fun. That's a little smaller one. What we got there? Oh hell. That's a goddamn walleye. Motherfucker. Motherfucking walleye. Hell yeah. Yeah, I plan on that. I'll keep that son of a bitch. Oh yeah. That's damn good eating. Alright guys, got me a fucking walleye. Got a walleye on your chatter donk. Yeah, he swallowed that damn thing. Yep, he's going home with me. I might let him go a little small, but we'll see. We will see. I don't know if I want to clean him or not. Yeah. Yeah. That's sweet. That is sweet, guys. Oh, Walter head. Oh, come here. Come here, dude. Come here. Yeah, I hardly ever catch these walleyes down here. Oh, yeah. Just let him go, guys. Just let him go. Don't need to keep him. Oh, quit. Alright. Alright, guys. We're going to let him go. I don't want to keep him. He's a little dead anyway. Alright. Go back home, buddy. Go back home. See, there's any more out there, guys. Oh, fuck. So what you guys fishing for?
Just fishing.
Just fishing?
Yeah, fishing or something.
Yeah. I can reel a couple of rods in over there. How you guys wait? Want me to? I was just gonna catfish and I seen them fucking stripers.
I'm on top of your shit. Crazy.
Yeah, here, I'll reel a couple of those in. Oh.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Oh, you're cool. You're good. I reel a couple of these bottom rods in. They were getting tapped. They probably stole my damn bait off them anyway. Yeah, got in the gar. You got in gar load to pick your bait off. Oh yeah, everywhere in this damn river.
In the daytime with sunglasses, you could just see hella of them.
Oh yeah, yeah, they stack up in here. I go down that gravel pit. I put my kayak in all the time here, and I go down that gravel pit, and I just slay the hell out of them down there too. Getting them out that gravel pit, them big old stripers will stack up in there, and man, you can just kill the shit out of them. These two rods here, these two bobbers out here, buddy. So you can have at her. I got a minnow on one, creek chub, and a night crawler on the other one. I think they probably got the bait off this one. He was dunking it earlier. I wasn't paying attention. I should be trying to catch stripers. I'll just reel these fuckers in until it gets dark. Oh. I'm stuck on something out there. There we go. There we go. All right. There, got those out of your way. Whew, man. Yeah, it's fucking hot today, boys. It's freaking hot. Fucking worked all day too. Shit sucks. I hate fucking have to work for a living. We're all fucking slaves, man. All slaves. To the man upstairs. Fucking big daddy government. Pretty sad we gotta pay them motherfuckers to work, you know it? Yeah, I was down at dam last Saturday afternoon, took a kayak out there and got 5 stripers and probably 10 or 12 of them fucking carp. Yeah, I couldn't stay away from them. You literally got to tiptoe through the seams out there because there's so many carp in there. Can't stay away from them. Yeah. There's a bunch of stripers in that damn thing too if you can get on them. They're out there in that current though.
They on the current.
Yeah, I use a kayak and go out there. They tried to give me a ticket a while back. I think it was last year. The year before last, they gave me a ticket for being out there.
On the rocks.
I was just out there fucking below on my in my kayak, and he said I was trespassing on the dam. I'm like, I ain't on the fucking dam. I'm on the water, motherfuckers. I beat the ticket. Yeah,
They wrote you a ticket?
Yeah, they wrote me a fucking $150 ticket. Then if you go to the hearing, it's an automatic another $150 fucking dollars just for going to hearing. They don't tell you that. So if you go to the hearing and lose, then you owe them $300 fucking dollars. I wasn't about to let them fucking beat me in there. They tried to use my own YouTube channel as fucking evidence. I said, go ahead, you stupid fucks. It just proves my point. You can't see.
Oh, you got
You
the
can't.
channel?
Yeah, Hunting Hogs Henson. But yeah, I told him, I said, the YouTube channel just proves my point. You can't tell how close you are to that dam when you're out there on the water.
Right.
You know, buoys out there, you know, signs. So you can't tell I was 300 feet or not. And they were like, well, yeah, we agree with you. And fucking city attorney was pissed. He wanted to stick me with that fucking ticket.
Beat them.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they had to drop it. Here, I'll move that out of the way, buddy. Oh, man. Yeah, somebody had been down here right before I got here. They left their fucking worm container right there by the chair. And it didn't look like they were too rotten.
Yeah, you already did one.
I come down here and specifically fish walleye, never catch one.
That's crazy.
Yeah. There's bass fishing, you catch one. Yeah, guys. Freaking nighttime stripey on the whale. Whale and a jig head. I just throwing it out there that current seam, guys, and he smacked it. Wonder if it's a stripey or a walleye. What we got here, guys? What we got? What do we got? Yes. Stripey. Yep. Nighttime stripey. Oh, yeah. Alright, guys. Another guys that were down here left, and I tied on a whale and started casting. It's obviously dark. But yeah, nighttime stripey guy. Nighttime stripeys. Yes. They're hitting the 6-inch whale. Yes, they are. I'm going to get him off there, guys. He smacked that whale. Yep, it's number 6, guys. I'm going to keep casting for him, see how many more we can get later. Oh, yeah. Oh, he came off right there, guys. Came off right there. Yep. Nice little stripey. Nice little nighttime stripey. Damn, quit, dude. Quit, I just want to show you to the camera. And we'll let you go. There you go, guys. Nighttime stripeys. Yeah. On the 6-inch whale. Yep, let's let him go. Let him go. Alright, I'm gonna leave you guys on now. Oh no, don't be doing that. Come here. He went belly up on me, guys. He went belly up. I gotta hold him for a minute. Yep, gotta hold him. Can't let these guys die. Come on. Come on, buddy. There he goes. He's gone. He's good now, guys. He's mad too. Alright. I'll leave you guys on for a little bit. Don't know how well you can see, but I got my headlampy on. He smacked her. He straight smacked it. That's pretty awesome, guys. Pretty awesome sauce. How high is that green? I wonder if they still hit after dark. That answers my question. Yes, they will. Yes, they will. Let's get after them. Let's let that sink down a little bit and start reeling it. Let's keep casting for a little bit. End up leaving here in a little while. Something's eating my big sucker, guys. Something is eating my big sucker, swimming with it. Yeah. What do we got here? Come on. That's a big bait, guys. That's a big bait. There it goes. Got it. Can't see nothing in the damn cigarette. He running downstream now with it. Yeah, I don't know what he's doing. Want to make sure he eats it. It's a pretty size bait. Yeah. There's something on there, guys. Make sure the drag set. Come on, big boy. Take that damn bobber under. Come on. Oh, the hell? Is that gar? Is that what's got my bait? Huh? Now bobber's totally gone. What the hell is going on here? Where's this damn fish at? Huh? There he is. What the hell's going on here? How's he going? There he is. Swimming toward me. How's this fish doing? That's a damn gar, guys. See him right there. Yeah, got him. Got the old gar fish. Got the old gar fish. Yeah. Alright, guys. Got me a gar. Got me a gar on the old live bait. Yep. I'm gonna get him off there and get him back in. Get back to fishing. Hunting Hog Simpson. Check out the YouTube channel, guys. Good video coming out soon. Alright, guys. Let's get him gone. I don't know what that critter was working its way down the bank. Hopefully it ain't no rabid coon. I gotta fight off. Look at the pliers. This dude here. Something taking off with that now. Yep. There we go, guys. Huh. Double up, maybe? Possible? Huh? Double up here. Give him gar. What this is. Give him a bunch of slack. He's still there. It is or not. The fires. He took gar fish on his way home. Yep. Come here, dude. You look old. Quit. Quit. Acting a fool. What damn hook at? Swallow it. Huh? Did you quit? Jesus. Don't slimy ass fish. Ow, fucking thing. Damn, I don't get a bite on that one. Yep, there it goes. Damn it. Just let go of it. Freaking fish. What are you doing? Yeah, he's still there. Still there, guys. There he goes. Oh, damn. Got him. Got his ass too. Don't know what it is. A gar, maybe? Don't know. Oh, yeah. Another big old gar, guys. Yep, another gar. I guess it's bigger. Bigger and a whole lot meaner. Oh, yeah. It's definitely bigger. Yep. Oh, yeah. Camera. Video. Alright, guys. Got another gar. It's a lot bigger than that last one I just got. Yeah, that's about all it's biting, though. I still ain't got that one off the hook over there yet. I'm doubled up on gar. Alright, guys. I'm going to get him off there and get back to it. It's a nice one there. He's a big fatty. Yeah. Alright, guys. I'll get pictures of him. I'll be back. Bugs are horrible. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Damn bugs, man. Alright, dude. Come up here. Hang on. I'm going to get tripled up here, guys. Huh? We're going to get tripled up here? Is it possible? Is it possible? Get a triple? Huh? Wouldn't it be something? Tripled up down here. Oh man, it's fun. This is fun, guys. Guess we're catching some damn fish, huh? The river's dropping and they are biting. Not for a big dude. Come on, get up here. This might be a little easier. Hook's inside of his face. I don't know, can you see the hook on him? Alright, let's get these fish off. It's kind of chaotic right now, guys. Kind of chaotic. Oh, yeah. I love every minute of it. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Ooh, got him right in the eyeball. I bet he don't like that shit at all. There we go. Alright, guys. There's that big old gar. Oh, man. I hate picking them up, too, because they're so damn mean. Come on. Here, I'll help you back to the water. How's that sound, buddy? Alright, let's get him on down this bank, guys. Come on. Come on, big dude. Ooh. Alright. There's the garfish. Goodbye. Goodbye, my friend. Goodbye. Go bite somebody else's line. Alright. Now let's get this other dude off. Whew. I get a little chaotic for a moment there. Yes it was, yes it was. Yes it was. Come here, quit. Flip flapping. Quit your flip flapping. Where's my damn hook at now, fish? Oh, he gutted that son of a bitch. I'll cut it off and tie another one on. There. Get rid of him. Alright, buddy. Head on back out. Alright, guys. Just want to show you what we're using for bait. It's creek chubs or sneebs. Sneebs. Sneebs is river certified, I would say. Yep. Old creek chubs. Got those and some suckers. Some red tail suckers. We're whipping out there too. Just whipping it all the way over that bank. As far as I can. And letting her hang out. Alright. like that cast or not, but we'll back to stripers, guys. Some cast, see if we get stripey. A couple more fish, we'll get out of here. Starting to get late. Oh shit, it's just covered in fucking mud and dirt. Alright. Let's get after it. Alright, back to casting, guys. Back to casting. There's another one, guys. Oh man, come off. Oh my god, that was a nice fish. Damn it. That was a big one, guys. That was a big one. How'd he come off? Oh, he straight my hook. Damn. That's a big boy there, guys. That was a big boy. Damn it. Yeah. Another stripey before we head out. Like you want more. Make it a 7 pack. Yep. Well, guys, on that note, I got a critter up here at the top of the hill watching me too, see his eyeballs. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna pack it up and get out of here. Been a good night though. Like 6 stripies, 5, 6 stripies. Yeah, 6 stripies, I think, something like that. 2 gar and a walleye, guys. Been a good night. But yeah, guys. If you like this content, like always, guys, hit that like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. And yeah, peace out, guys. Fishing's gonna get way better. We'll get on them big old flatheads and channies and kitty cats for long too. So, but yeah, there's always stripers in the meantime. But we'll see you on the next one, guys. Later.